How to add 1 over 5 plus 7 over 10. Okay, to add one fraction with another we need same denominator. Here 10, here 5. So try to change this 5 to 10. Look, we need to consider the equivalent fraction of 1 over 5. To find equivalent fraction, you need to multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. If I multiply both numerator and denominator by 1, I will get 1 over 5. If I multiply by 2, I will get 2 over 10. So instead of 1 over 5, we can write 2 over 10 plus 7 over 10. Actually 2 over 10 and 1 over 5 is the same thing. Just to add this fraction with this fraction, we are considering this. Now since you have gotten the same denominator, just add the numerator. So we are getting 9 over 10 and this is the answer.